Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Thoughts Handmade Creations. Today I come to show you, which one is this? Oh, this is the next one for the Anna Griffin Simply Anniversary Card Making Kit. This is an auto ship. I forgot how many we were supposed to be getting. I can't remember, but I'm just taking it out of the box. It's a nice box to re-ship. I'm trying to see. Yeah, this is the anniversary card kit. Okay, the price was $35.79. That's with shipping. So every month, I think, with this one, you get one. Remember, the first one I got was, I think, Christmas. All right, so this one, I love this box that she is putting these in. They're gonna stack nicely on my calyx unit. All right, so it has, love the box. Okay, let's put you over there. All right, so it comes with some beautiful ribbon, that gold ribbon, some adhesive, envelopes. All right, so we have some sentiments. Happy anniversary on this special day. Thinking of you. Wishing you all. Wishing you all. Wishing you all the best. Time to celebrate. Nice. Make some nice, and they are dimensional, guys. You know how she does her sentiments. Then here are the extras. Oh, look at those colors. They remind me of the Annalise collection. Look at this beautiful flower. Wow, butterflies. Got some gold foiling, and it looks like those toppers things that you put in the center of the card. Look at these gold foiling. Oh, wow. Swirls, leaves. Oh, you know how she does. I love, oh, look at this one. Oh, wow. I'm loving the color palette. Very nice. Very nice. And here are the card bases. Wow. Okay, so I got them backwards. I can feel it open it the wrong way. Look at that foiling. Sending all the best. Oh, wow. I'm loving the shape. Get two of those. Two of these. Look at that foil. Oh, celebrating the joys of today, the memories of yesterday, and the hope of tomorrow. Amen. This one's got some kind of something on it. Yeah, like it's I don't know, but there's something printed on that. Let me see if the other ones. No, that one's clean. Ugh. All right, this one. Oh, look at that. I'm loving the foiling, guys. Wishing you many happy memories. This is the anniversary kit. Love this detail. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so now they're switching this way. With sincere congratulations, wishing you all the best. Oh, I need to do some cards. I think I'm going to have to do that. I've been doing 3D projects right now. Oh, I love this one. This one might be my fave. Look at that background. Together is a wonderful place to be. Amen. I love that. Last but certainly not least, my beautiful pink. Wow. I love the foiling on the front. Happy anniversary. Yes. Now that's pretty. Those are beautiful. So here are the front toppers that you put on there. So I guess when you want to do extra. Oh, and they got them double-sided. So if you want to line it here. Oh, that's pretty. Pop it up. Look at that. Wow. So they are double-sided. You get two. Oh, this one's beautiful. And the back side is a green. Then you get this beautiful pink. I love that pink. That is pretty. And the other side, ooh, yes. Gold foil flowers. Then you got this one. That side, oh, wow. Then this one. red on the back. And then the final one is this one here. Plain. Well, it's not plain, but it has an image on the back. So those are the beautiful anniversary cards. Very pretty. I want to show you the, what do you call it? I can't think. The sample card. Look at this. I love how they did that with the wine glass. Beautiful flowers in the back, and they all have a double mat. So pretty. And that's that strip I was showing y'all to go across. Oh, there's one there too. That beautiful gold ribbon. It's double-sided. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. I love this sentiment here in the middle of this pink with this gold in the back. That is beautiful. Wow. Did y'all sign up for this kit, guys? This monthly subscription Autoship? Again, this one is called Simply Anniversary Card Making Kit. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. I am loving the containers. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.